Hello, my friend. Do you want to speak English better? You can do it. This text will help you learn easy steps to improve your English fluency. We will talk about simple tips. We will learn about listening, speaking, reading, and writing. We will also talk about grammar, vocabulary, and how to stay motivated. Do not worry if you are a beginner. You can grow and become confident with practice. Remember, every small step is important. Practice a little every day. Soon you will see progress. English fluency means talking smoothly. It is not about being perfect. It is about being clear and comfortable. You can learn new words slowly. You can also learn simple grammar rules. Speak with people if you can. Do not be shy. Mistakes are normal, they help you learn. Read short texts, watch easy videos, and listen to slow audio. Try to enjoy the process. Learning a language is a great adventure. Let us begin our journey to better English. Listening is very important. When you listen, you hear words and sentences. You learn pronunciation, accent, and new vocabulary. You also train your ear to understand English better. Start with easy audio or short videos. Children's shows or simple podcasts are a good idea. Listen for a few minutes every day. Focus on the main ideas first. Do not worry if you do not catch every word. You can also pause and repeat. Try to say the words out loud. Imitate the speaker's voice and rhythm. This helps you speak more naturally. Use subtitles if you like, but remember to practice listening without them too. You can listen while you do simple tasks like cooking or walking. Enjoy the process. Every minute of listening practice helps you become more comfortable with English sounds. Soon you will understand more and feel more confident. Do you feel shy when you speak English? That is normal. Many people worry about making mistakes. But do not fear mistakes. Each mistake helps you learn. To build speaking confidence, you can talk to a friend or classmate. You can also use online apps to find speaking partners. Even short conversations help. Speak about simple topics like your day or your hobbies. If you have no partner, practice alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see around you. Record your voice on a phone. Then listen and see how you can improve. Be kind to yourself. Praise your effort. You are on the way to speaking fluently. The more you speak, the easier it gets. Soon you will speak with more ease and joy, remember. Small steps lead to big results. Try not to compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different pace. Celebrate your progress even if it feels small. A relaxed mind helps you speak freely. Breathe, smile, and enjoy the journey. Reading helps you see new words in context. It also shows you correct spelling and grammar. Start with short, easy texts. Children's books, simple news articles, or graded readers are good choices. Read every day, even for just 10 minutes. This builds a strong habit. Use a dictionary when you see a new word, but do not stop too often. Try to guess the meaning first. Highlight new words and make a small vocabulary list. Then read the text again. You will understand more each time. Reading also improves your writing skills. Notice how sentences are formed. Repeat phrases you like. Step by step, you will read faster and understand better. Remember to pick topics you enjoy. Fun reading keeps you motivated. You might like short stories, comics, or simple blogs. If you enjoy the content, you will read more often. Confidence will grow and your English will get stronger every day. Writing is another way to improve fluency. When you write, you practice grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Start small. Write a short note about your day. For example, Diane, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast, Then I went to work. Simple sentences are fine. The goal is to express your thoughts in English. If you want more practice, keep a diary. Write 2 or 3 sentences every evening. You can also write comments on social media or join English forums. Do not worry about making errors. With time, your writing will improve. Check your spelling and basic grammar. Learn from your mistakes. Each day, you get better. Writing also helps you think in English. This is good for speaking fluency, too. When you can form sentences in writing, you speak them more easily. Remember, do not be afraid to share your writing with others. They might give you tips or corrections. Keep going and watch your skills grow. Grammar rules are important, but do not let them scare you. Learn basic structures first, like present tense, past tense, and future tense. Understand how to make simple sentences. For example, I play, I played, or I will play. Practice with short exercises or worksheets. Consistency is key. Do not aim for perfection right away. Focus on clear communication. If you make a grammar mistake, it is okay. You can correct it next time. Grammar becomes easier when you see it in context. Read simple texts and watch easy videos. Notice how sentences are formed. Little by little, you will understand more patterns. Also learn from your mistakes. If you see a repeated error, study that grammar point. Ask a friend or teacher for help. Practice with short writing tasks or speaking drills. You will see progress when you keep going. Believe in yourself. Accuracy comes with practice and patience. Words are your tools for communication. The more words you know, the easier it is to speak and understand. Start with common words for everyday life, like food, family, and daily routines. Make a small list and learn a few words each day. Use flashcards or apps like Anki or Quizlet. Repeat words often to remember them. Read simple texts or watch easy videos. Pick out new words. Write them down. Try to guess the meaning from context. Then check the dictionary to be sure. Practicing words and sentences helps you remember them. For example, if you learn the word enjoy, you can write, I enjoy reading English stories. Review your vocabulary list often. A little practice every day is better than a lot of practice once a month. Also, group words by theme. This makes learning easier and more fun. Be proud of each new word you learn. One by one, your vocabulary grows and your English becomes stronger. Immersion means surrounding yourself with English. Change your phone settings to English. Listen to English songs even if you do not catch every word. Watch movies or shows with simple dialogues. Turn on subtitles in English when you need help. Try to think in English about daily things like I am cooking or I am walking to the store. If possible, talk to native speakers or join an English club. Practice real conversations. If you cannot travel, use online communities or video calls. Immersion can also be small habits, like writing grocery lists in English or labeling items in your home. The idea is to make English part of your daily life. This helps your brain adapt. Soon you will pick up new words and phrases naturally. Do not stress if you do not understand everything. Focus on enjoying the process. Even short moments of immersion can help you become more fluent over time. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Learning English fluently takes time. Do not worry if progress feels slow. Keep practicing a little every day. This is more effective than studying for many hours only once a week. Make a simple schedule. For example, 15 minutes of reading in the morning, then 10 minutes of listening in the evening. Set small goals. Celebrate when you meet them. Maybe you learn 5 new words or watch one video without subtitles. Reward yourself with something you like, such as a snack or a short break. This keeps motivation high. Also, share your goals with a friend or family member. They can support you and cheer you on. Believe in yourself. You are able to grow. Every day you practice, you get closer to fluency. Sometimes you might feel tired or bored. That is normal. Take a short rest and come back. A positive mindset helps you learn faster. Keep going. Your effort will pay off. Sometimes you may feel stuck. You learn new words, but your English does not improve quickly. This is a plateau. Do not lose hope. Try new methods. If you usually read stories, try short news articles. If you only watch videos, start listening to podcasts. A fresh challenge can wake up your brain. Also, review old material. Check your notebooks or old exercises. You may see how much you have grown. This gives you new energy. Change your routine slightly. If you study in the morning, try studying in the evening. If you learn alone, try a study buddy or a small group. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone has a different path. Focus on your own journey. A plateau is normal. See it as a sign to try new things. Keep going and you will pass this stage. Remember, every little effort brings you closer to natural fluency. You can do it. Great job, my friend. Now you know many ways to improve your English fluently. You can focus on listening, practice speaking, read simple texts, and write short notes. You can learn basic grammar and build new vocabulary. You can also try immersion by changing your phone to English and watching easy videos. Remember to stay consistent and stay motivated. A little practice every day helps you more than a lot of practice once in a while. If you hit a plateau, do not panic. Try new study methods or review old lessons. Believe in your ability to learn. You are doing great. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep going. Each small step leads you closer to your dream of speaking English freely.